In the last phase of the Pull-It methodology, you will transition to one-piece or single-piece flow. An environment that operates in a one-piece flow fashion is when items or services are processed in one piece at a time manner. Each piece is also produced based on a given rate that is determined by the customer. Some of your processes may have foreseen this transition from Kanban to one-piece flow and already started producing in this fashion. That's great if they did. Others, however, may need a little bit of transitioning to a one-piece flow production. This may include types of encouragement for them to understand one-piece flow. We will look more at the details surrounding one-piece flow in later modules, but for now, let's understand some of the key benefits of switching to this method. The first is that it will expose many forms of waste. You will also find that transportation is much more functional and warehousing needs will be dramatically reduced. Another great benefit of one-piece flow is that lead times will be reduced, and that means customers spend less time waiting for deliveries. Finally, risk is decreased substantially in an environment where one-piece flow is implemented. Damage goes down, obsolescence is reduced, and deterioration is minimized. As you can tell, implementing one-piece flow can be a valuable tactic for a company and is a necessary part of implementing any pull system. We'll see you in the next module.